Ginger, we've got that blast of cold air hitting so much of the country right now.
Listen, it's not just, of course, the places we've been seeing those incredible pictures from, Buffalo, New York, but look at this. I want to show you this photo from Atlanta. We're talking freezing all the way down into the southeast. That frozen fountain really grabs your attention and says, wait, this is not just the north. No, records broken this morning from Jacksonville to Tallahassee. There are freeze warnings down to almost central Florida. The numbers are cold from Portland, Oregon to Rapid City. Wind chill in Chicago this morning is 4. But yes, there's more snow to come in the Great Lakes, and that includes West Michigan to our friends right there in Buffalo, and that is where we find our Gio Benitez again this morning. Gio, how's it going?
Oh, well, for the first time in 3 days, Ginger, I can see the camera. Here's that headline. Here we go again. Overnight, we saw lightning, there was thunder, there was freezing fog. And just as we come on the air this morning, word that an 8th person has died because of these storms. This morning, another round of heavy snow pounding the Northeast. South Buffalo slammed. Tow trucks going in to rescue stuck cars and getting stuck themselves. Hard hits of lightning and loud thunder snow shaking the city. Booming warnings that this Arctic blast is not over yet. Just this week alone, the Buffalo area expected to reach similar amounts of snow to what is usually the total for the whole year.
It's going to get, in some ways, worse before it gets better. But when we say stay home, really stay home.
Leaving the house, not a choice for many. This garage door opening to a blanket of snow. Cars lost underneath the massive mounds of white. Somewhere under here, there is a car. Somewhere under, it is way down there. The roads, still a mess. Hundreds of cars left abandoned on those snow-clogged highways. Officials saying it could take days to clear them. The main road to the hospital snowed in for hours. This baby girl taking her first breath inside a fire station after the snow made it impossible for her mother to get to the hospital. Snowmobiles becoming the main means of transportation for emergency personnel. So this is the hardest hit regions. This is the only way into South Buffalo. Look at all the cars here. Residents now working to clean the damage and start digging out. The Buffalo Bills racing to shovel the 220,000 tons of snow covering Ralph Wilson Stadium in time for Sunday's game, even offering $10 an hour and free game tickets for volunteers. And right now, there is another massive snowstorm over parts south of here, but the roads are so treacherous, not even we can get there, Robin.
All right, be safe out there, Gio. Thanks so much.